Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Kansas City, Missouri. So this project is a King Pier 2 installation project. We have 3 of them that we're going to be installing under this room addition. We took the paneling down and discovered that this room addition is really held up by 2 sets of steel. The one that you see here, and there's another set about roughly 8 feet inward holding up this room addition. What was done 6 years ago, roughly, was another company came out and just installed these little cylinders to try and support this house, but it is still sinking. You can see they really didn't do it. They put this cheap little wood behind it to, I guess, keep everything in place, but that's coming loose. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to tunnel our way inward, dig all this out nice and neat to be able to get to the inner set of the load-bearing beams. So what we're going to do, under one of these sets, we're going to be installing our 3 King Pier 2s. The other set we are going to pop up and get them really supported, use our 30-ton bottle jacks to get them level, and then we're going to create some new footings underneath and support beams, proper support beams to keep those in place. So stay tuned for more updates. Today we'll be doing a lot of the tunneling, and then early next week we'll get our piers in place and get everything raised back to its correct level elevation. So again, you can find all our updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly at 1-816-288-4373.